What?
Call the dog.
Come here, Hannah. Come on. They're still looking for the dog one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, come say hi. Come say hi. Come here, Hannah. Come here. Hannah, come here.
Is that funny?
Maggie. Come here, Maggie. Come here, Maggie.
Somebody's calling you.
Over here.
Oh, wrong way.
Take your ear out.
Come here, Hannah. Hannah. He's got a silly dog. He's good, your friend.
Hi, buddy.
Say hi, Dad.
You want to laugh for me?
Say, Daddy. What are you doing?
I'm all wet. My pants are wet. Is that silly?
He did a silly daddy.
Dan was calling him a cracker the other night. He was shaking and he was laughing.
Calling him a what?
A cracker.
A cracker?
Maggie.
Excuse me,
You're
Maggie.
doing her way.
Am I in your way? That's okay.
Hey, buddy. Are you a cracker? Are you a cracker?
Woohoo! Woohoo! Squealy boy. Come here, Hannah. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come here.
Oh, he's trying to pet her.
Come here.
Did you put Maggie's drops in her ears?
Not yet. Are you gonna do that?
Oh boy.
Lock Hannah out.